Hey everyone, welcome back to another crypto tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to send USDC from your Coinbase wallet to Uphold in 2025. If you're new to this or just want a quick refresher, stick around. I'll break it down step by step so you can do it confidently and securely. Why bother? Moving USDC between wallets lets you manage your funds more flexibly, whether you're trading, staking, or just organizing your portfolio. Let's dive in. First, make sure you have the Coinbase Wallet app installed and updated on your phone or device. Log in and ensure you have some USDC in your balance. Double-check that you're on a stable internet connection to avoid any hiccups. Step 1. Open the Coinbase Wallet app and head to your main dashboard. You'll see a list of your assets. Find and tap on USDC to select it. Step 2. Once you're on the USDC page, look for the Send or Transfer button and tap it. This is where the magic happens. Step 3. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's wallet address. Switch over to your Uphold app or website, navigate to your USDC wallet, and copy the address. Pro tip: always verify the address to prevent any costly mistakes. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Step 4. Paste the Uphold address into the recipient field in Coinbase Wallet. Then, enter the amount of USDC you want to send. Be precise, and check for any minimum transfer requirements. Step 5. Review the transaction details carefully. This includes the amount, fees, and the network, like Ethereum for USDC. If everything looks good, hit Confirm, and approve the transaction using your wallet's security features, such as a PIN or biometrics. After confirmation, sit tight. It might take a few minutes to an hour for the USDC to show up in your Uphold wallet, depending on network traffic. Keep an eye on your transaction status in Coinbase for updates. And there you have it. You've successfully sent USDC from Coinbase to Uphold. Remember, stay safe in the crypto world by using reputable platforms and double-checking everything. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.